Hey, would you like to build a pull brand than a push brand with no experience with a low cost investment? Pull brand is built on a magnetic strategies, which in long run doesn't require to invest time, energy and money. Push brand is something which whatever you do, it needs a consistent action on that. Companies like Alibaba, Amazon, Apple, Ola, Uber to Oyo Rooms to Netflix to lot many have built on same business models. I too did the same and I'm doing same for my clients and mentees too. You too can apply the same in any of your businesses. No matter you could be a startup or an established company stuck in the competition and looking for right strategies, principles, methods, systems and processes, then I can help you with the right roadmap, blueprint and a solid game plan and helps you build a profitable and scalable business with a sustainable organic growth. So what are you waiting for? Right now, click on book now, fill in the details and submit to schedule a call. Do it right now in this moment to build, grow and scale your business.